So now I want to spend a few minutes walking through President Obama's 2011 tax return. So one thing we're not going to learn in this class is how to fill out tax forms, like the President's 1040. Now I hope that many of you are already familiar with this basic form, but looking at the form is another way to get a sense of the structure of the income tax and the structure of the class. So as we go through this, don't worry about detail, just make sure you get the big picture. Okay, so the first major section of the form is income, and that's the first section of our course. Line 7 is for wages, salary, and tips. Now, I don't think the President is allowed to accept tips, but the Obamas reported about $395,000 in wages and salary for 2011. At this point, I'd like you to answer a couple of questions. After you're finished with that, we'll continue looking at the 1040. All right, now let's pop back to Schedule 1040, page 2. So after entering the allowable amount of itemized deductions, line 42 provides for a deduction based on the number of people in the household.